How to add international contact phone numbers in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add international contact phone numbers in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing that you'll need to know is that WhatsApp uses your phone's contact itself. So if you want to add a number in WhatsApp, you can simply add it to your phone contacts and it will automatically get added in your WhatsApp. So first open up your phone, and after you're on your phone, first you will need to know the contacts country code. So let's say if someone is from Spain, you'll need to type in +34, and after you do that, follow it with numbers. After you do that, you will see that it is Spain's phone number with 9 digits to follow, which is Spain's phone numbers format. So add it to your contact, tap on the contact and tap on create new contact, and I'll just name it Spain contact and simply tap on done. After that, I can then open up my WhatsApp and simply search for that very contact. So if that number does have a WhatsApp, that will just get displayed right here, and then you can start talking to them. And that's basically how you add someone from international phone number to your WhatsApp. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and